All right, I haven't done trade recaps in a while. I've just been focused on sending out watch lists to people, but I'm gonna do a quick recap today because I'm very proud of the teamwork in the chat room today. When you consider the Dow was down 330 something points or whatever, some amazing finds in the chat room today. Some short and some long. At Zozo Trader, Zozo in our chat room, at Zozo Trader on Twitter, called APT today at when it looked like this. These are 5-minute candles at 410. Worst case stop 11 cents below. And there's the trigger, 410. Look at this. Went all the way and even closed extremely strong. Went as high as 508. So almost a buck on a $4 stock on 11 cents risk. That's just a fantastic call. If you watched my watch list video last night, you knew I had NDLS on watch. And it was kind of after the opening 5-minute candle right here, it was kind of flagging. I decided that you can kind of see it right there. I decided that rather than just call it over this little flag, I wanted to make it break the high of the day first to really prove itself. And then you had yesterday's high and the day before that as catalysts just above. So you had what we call stacked catalysts. So I called, get those lines out of the way, we called NDLS 2009 and the stop only 19 cents below. And there's the trigger. And from there it went to over 2060. It went to 2070 at its best on 19 cents risk. So that was very nice. Zozo did it again on TKMR. He called when it looked like this at 2310, which is up above this little 3-candle base. And the worst case stop, like 30 cents below, I think. And there's the trigger, 2310. And look at the next candle, or the third candle. Went quickly to 24.75, a $1.65 move in our favor. And you can see the stop obviously wasn't hit. Excellent call by Zozo. Gap Stores GPS gapped down, pardon the pun, and one of our moderators, Michael N., posted this short at 37.04. Worst case stop 14 cents above. And there's the trigger short. And doesn't look like much because of the big gap, it kind of smushes all these candles together. But this did fade all the way down to, from 37.04, it faded down to 36.44. So a 60-cent move in our favor on 14 cents risk. Very nice call there. And then I called Sears Holdings SHLD short after it did this little dip down and was kind of a little kind of a bear flag. I just called it short as a low of day break. So my idea was 26.79 with a stop at 27.05. And there's the trigger. And it was pretty much bled lower slowly the rest of the day. The lowest it got was down there at 26.14, but still 60-something cent move in our favor. And the stop was just over 27. So not a bad risk reward there, and a decent short as well. And just a really nice day on an ugly market day. So great teamwork, guys, and we'll do it again tomorrow.